Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. In today's video we are going to cover the solution of GDB number 1 I think of the subject Pin622 and its closing date is July 14, 2023. The topic is topic of discussion credit policy and cash discount. So here is the question. Before question there is going to be making a ground for this upcoming question. So I am going to be leave this portion of the question. So I am directly move to the question of the GDP. Suppose you have information about three companies, that is company A, company B, company C, for whom the sellers have offered a cash discount. Let's suppose there is a seller whose name is XYZ, anything, who is going to be sell its good to three companies, company A, company B and company C, and company A and company B and company C are in the status of buyer. So you know there are two parties in any transaction, one is seller and other is buyer, and seller provides the credit terms or sales terms regarding the transactions. So let's read out the sales terms regarding transaction for each company A, B, and C respectively. So the seller offers the sale term to company A as 2/15 net 30 for transactions in the amount of rupees 1.8 million 1800,000. So 2/15 means if company A pays their dues within 15 days or on 15 days, they will be get 2% discount. If they will if the company A gives up the discount, then he will have the maximum of 30 days to pay his due. Now come to the company B, where the sale terms are 410 and net 45. It means if the company B pays within 10 days, he will get 4%, and if he drops the discount opportunity, then he has a 45 days to pay his due. The seller offers the sale term to company C as 3/7 net 25 for a transaction in the amount of rupees 1800,000. So for the company C, the sale or credit terms are 3% discount on payment within 7 days, or if foregoing the discount, then company C has 25 days to pay its liability in 25 days. Look at one thing is important to be noted, that for all three companies, although the credit terms are different, but the transaction amount is same. Now move to the requirements associated with this GDB or question. Calculate the effective annual rate of company A, company B and company C. By mistake, this typo error. So correct this one, replace B with the C. Which company may take maximum benefit based on EAR? So let's move to the solution. Here is the solution. Now part 1, company A, we are going to determine the effective annual rate. So sale term is equal to 2/15 net 30. Engaged transaction amounting to rupees 1800,000 or 1.8 million. 2% of 1800,000 is equal to rupees 36,000. In term of percentage, it will be 36,000 divided by 1.76400. 000 is equal to 0.0200408 or 2.04%. This percentage indicates that if the company A do not avail this discount amount, then how much he will be bear loss in terms of percentage is 2.04%. Remember that this loss is related to only 15 days. To find the loss for not availing discount on annual basis, we use to find the number of periods that company have used to be seen in 1 year. So we are going to divide number of days in the year 365 divided by 15. So 24.33 days. It means that the company A, if follow the same pattern and going to make payment after 30 days, so how many times he will going to be repeat this cycle or period in a year? 24.33 times in shape of days. So we are going to in next step determine the effective annual interest rate is equal to 1 plus I over n raised to power n minus 1. It is a generalized form of annual effective annual rate, so we are going to use little bit modified. This portion is equal to the percentage loss that we have determined in giving up the discount. So by adding this portion here with plus 1, and this is the compounding formula. Here we use the n is equal to number of one period is 24.33 days. So minus 1 is equal to 0.6399 or 49 or 63.49%. Now company B, sales terms is equal to 410, net 45. Notice this is for 35 days. Remember this, you have noticed that above we are going to use the actual amount, but here I am going to use the 4.96. The reason is that we know that we are going to measure the percentage in terms of 100. So 4% of 100 is equal to 4 and remaining is 96 is equal to 0.041667 or 4.17%. Again this is for 35 days. Now coming the number of periods in the years, we are going to divide number of days in the years by the 35 days is equal to 10.424 times in 1 year. It means in 1 year the company will repeat this process for 10 times in number of days. So EAR is equal to 1 plus 0.0416 raised to power 10.428 minus 1, 0.5307 or 53.07%. This is the loss that he has bear in case of if he drops the option of availing discount. Now come to the company C. Same procedure is going to be applied here. So 3 by 97, 0.030928. This is for 18 days. Because the net days is 25 days, computation for loss on annual basis in case of not availing discount 365 divided by 18 is equal to 20.28 days. Thus EAR is equal to 1 plus 0.030928 raised to power 20.28 minus 1, 84.45% part B. So I am going to be explain EAR in the terms of maximum benefits regarding the buyer point of view by the perspective of lossing if he is not going to avail the discount. So on the basis of EAR, company being seems taking maximum benefit in terms of percentage by dropping the opportunity of not taking the discount. If you have any question or query, please ask me in the comment section. One further more important notice, if you found any error or mistake regarding formula or values, please mention in the comment sections, or if you want to add something or want to discuss something or point, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.